How to connect Roborock to Alexa? Follow these instructions. Open Roborock app. Make sure your robot is added, connected to Wi-Fi, and working properly with full setup. Open Alexa app, tap More, then Skills and Games, and search for Roborock Plus or Roborock Home skill. Tap Enable on the Roborock skill, then log in using your Roborock or Ami Home account to link it with Alexa. Once linked, Alexa will auto-discover your Roborock. Rename your Roborock in the app for easier voice use like Living Room Vacuum or Mop Bot for better commands. Say Alexa voice commands like Alexa, ask Roborock to clean or Alexa, ask Roborock to go home and charge. Use Alexa routines to create shortcuts by typing custom Roborock commands and activating them with voice phrases. Thank you for watching.